Hey guys, so I'm gonna start this alternator job. Doesn't look too shabby. I think I'm gonna remove this funky looking air filter and then start attacking the alternator. So the alternator is right there. So I think I'm gonna move all of this out of the way and then start removing the alternator. Also, before you even get to the alternator, remember to disconnect the battery. Important, very important. Battery has been disconnected. I'm gonna take this. Gonna plug this mass airflow sensor. There's this little, I don't know, I guess I'll just call it a clip. Just gonna pop them out. Since this is exactly like my probe, that's the reason why I know how to do that. Clip. Clip it down right here. Get out of there. It's out of the way. Maybe not. That'd be great. Thank you. Just gonna loosen this clamp up. There we go. Trying to figure. I'll get it later. I'm gonna get this out of here. Looks like positive, but I know it's gotta come off those hoses to get this out of here. Come on. No. There's another one. I gotta not lose this. Maybe I will tuck it down in there. I need a cup or something. There's one more way down in there. I think I'm gonna need another extension. Cool. Alright. I gotta get those clamps off. So this hose and this little one, I gotta get off of this. Come out. Please reach. Help me out here. of space. All kinds of room for activities. There we go. That belt. Huh. So next, I'm going to take off that, and I have to take that out. Okay, I'll take that off first because I can't see nothing. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Get that electrical connector off. Take that off. Yep, that's a 10. Has a new nut. Okay. And it looks like there's... So I'm gonna show you. So there's the top bolt right here, and then down here, hold on a second. There we go. Okay, down here, obviously that's the belt, which is not very good. But anyways, so there's the bottom bolt, and that is also the tension for the belt. And once you loosen that up, obviously you can move it in the slot. So, yep, that top bolt is a 14. There we go. Top bolt is out. The bottom one definitely does not look like a 14. Nope, not tight. It's more like a 12. Yep, that bottom one's a 12. Look at that little bugger. Wiggle, wiggle. Alright, what kind of stuff we got going on here? What's that? Okay, alright. Secure down there, pop that off. And then I believe I can just wiggle this out. There we go. Alternator, old one, is out. So this is new alternator. I looked at it beforehand just to make sure it was okay. It sucks when you take a part off and then you have to, and then it's broken, like a ear is busted off or that's busted off. So I looked at it beforehand, made sure that it was okay. So now I just gotta put this back in. Wow. And just pop right back in there. Hey now. There we go. I don't want to completely snug it up because I'm going to try and get it back to where it was for tension. Probably have to use a pry bar and pry it a little bit and then do the initial tightening, the last tightening. Wow, that's actually like pretty much where it was. But I'll be right back. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Have fun. Right about there. The top bolt. Oops. Now, put this in. Putting in the electrical connector. Click. You gotta remember to put that back on there so the wiring stays in place. There's that new nut I was talking about. Please don't drop it, me. Okay, there it is. Put that back on. Yeah, alright. That on. Still looks like a 10 mil, so that's cool. There we go. Doesn't need to be super tight, just snug so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'll try putting this plastic cover back on. There we go. Now, I gotta put the airbox back in. Because I think that's about it. Yep. So before I tighten everything down, I just connected the mass outflow sensor, and I didn't really tighten stuff down too much because I want to check it and make sure that this is right tension and stuff before, you know, I have to take it all back out just so I can see. I don't even know if this thing will start right now. Oh. Pretty good. never been near this thing to know if that is how it normally functions. Figure I let it run for a little bit and make sure that it's okay. But it's looking good. Nothing squealing. Looking good so far. I'm honestly really impressed at how I don't want to get my hopes up, but it's doing really good, and that was actually like pretty decent, quick job. I don't know. I just expect the worst and for other shit to go wrong, but I guess I'm gonna have to say it was a success. It was a success. It's a success. I can't talk. Yeah, I guess I'll finish buttoning it up and let them know that it's ready. Thanks for watching, guys. I honestly didn't expect to get to this so soon, and get it done within the day. Cool, awesome. Well, thank you guys, appreciate it very much for you watching, and I'll see you again soon.